Freelancing is one of the sure way you can start making money right now on the internet in 2024 and 2025. And there are a lot of niches right now in 2024 and 2025 that are set to blow up when it comes to freelancing. But the question is, what are the niches that you should go for? What are niches that if you start right now, you can literally start getting paid? All you need is to have your PayPal account or Payoneer account, fill into the various platforms, and you start receiving your cash. But if you find yourself like me with multiple skills and multiple talents, if you know how to code, you know how to do graphic design, you know how to create a website, you know how to do marketing, sales, all sorts of stuff, digital products, it is going to be very difficult for you to choose what is the niche based on your talent, based on your skills that you can start delivering value for to make money right now. So what I'm going to do for you right now in this video is I'm going to be explaining to you the 5 niches that right now, if you go into them, you are sure to make your dream of making money online as a freelancer a reality. So when I was starting out, the only thing that transformed me, that started helping me to make money, was when I was able to define and to decide which skill to put on first. And the moment I put that skill first, I started making money with that skill. Then every other thing begin to line up. I now begin to make money with the other skill I have. So if you have multiple skills, don't worry. If you have just one skill, don't worry. Even if you don't have a skill, this video is going to give you insight on what to do. Now, we start wasting most of our time. Let's talk about niche number 1. And if you have skill in this particular niche, you are good to go to start making money right now as a free. And what is that niche? It is the digital marketing niche. The digital marketing space. This is by far the most lucrative niches if you want to start as a freelancer and start making money right now. As businesses continue to shift online, right, the demand for digital marketing experts keeps going up every single day. I literally have people on my DM asking me about website, about marketing, about content and all that. So many requests are always on the rise, and business owners are looking for somebody who knows how to create results to help them create this result. Now, if you want to start in this niche as a digital marketer, what you will need to be offering to people will be services like SEO, social media management, content marketing, pay-per-click advertisement, because businesses need skilled marketers to boost their online presence and to drive traffic and sales to their business, period. If you can do that, then it is easy for you to land a freelance job with this niche. Moving to number 2. Now, talking about niche number 2 that you can start making money right now. It's one of the first niches that I started. That was how I made my first 300,000 naira in the first 3 months that I started this particular business. And that is content creation and copywriting. This is by far one of the easiest low barrier entry for you to start right now if you want to start making money as a freelancer, learning how to create content. In fact, with the rise of ChatGPT and other AI, the barrier is even low right now for you to start offering this as a service, right? But what you need to do when it comes to offering content creation and copywriting is for you to create a high quality content. And you have to make sure that you are a skilled writer. Even if you're not a skilled writer, you should be able to know how to use prompt and ChatGPT to create this high quality content for business owners. Now, when you want to do this, there are services that you should start providing to your clients. Services such as blog posts, video script, marketing copies for business for them to be able to sell their products. Business needs creative and talented writers who can actually engage with their audience and drive conversion through their content creation and writing ability. If you can do that, that is something that you should just go into right now in your freelancing career. You can go into right now as a freelancer. It's nothing but the almighty web development and design. Now, I was telling you about my background. This is one of the first initial ways that I made my first million naira. So back in the days, what I was doing was I was creating websites for business owners, helping them to design. At that time, we were using WordPress. Even before WordPress, we were using PHP, HTML, and JavaScript. But right now, you don't even need to do all that. At that time, WordPress was very difficult. Right now, WordPress and other tools are very easy for you to use. So what do you need to do? You just need to make sure that you find yourself in a niche where money flows. A niche like e-commerce, online services, business that are always looking for web developers because their business is booming right? Like e-commerce and online services. If you can get that, begin to create website for them. But what kind of service are you going to be providing for them? Go ahead and start providing services like front-end development, back-end development, or full stack development. Yes, that is what you do to businesses, help them to create a website, e-commerce, and all that. Now, another thing you can also do, if you are not a full-time front-end or back-end or full stack developer, one thing that you can learn how to use is WordPress and Shopify. These are just drag and drop way of creating website, and they are very, very easy to implement. So just go and learn how to do website or Shopify and begin to use it to serve your client on freelancing website. And that is how you make money in this particular niche. Niche number 4 is virtual assistant. You and I will both agree that the entire internet space right now, people are having company started up and they are employing people to work online. This has been one of the most lucrative way that people are actually getting jobs from different parts of the world. A company will employ people in South Africa, in Nigeria, in Kenya for them to be doing virtual assistant, and this is a normal stuff, and these guys are making so much money. People are making anything around $35 to $150 per hour. You see, how good is that? Depend on what you are doing and depend on the kind of services you are providing, you can make so much money. But what are the services that you can start to offer to people who are looking for virtual assistant? One of the most lucrative services that you can start offering is services like email management. If you can go for email management, you know how to schedule emails, create email, automation, and all that, you will be doing very good, right? Data entry, customer support. These are the most lucrative aspect of virtual assistant that people are literally making money right now with. And virtual assistants who can handle multiple tasks effectively are going to be highly paid. Yes. And that is what you need to do. Niche number 5. Now, niche number 5 is like no other on the list because this is online education and coaching. This is one of the oldest way of making money online, and it's still the most lucrative way because it requires certain form of skills that you can leverage. Now, with the rise of online education, coaches here and there, people learning online, education is no more confined to the four walls of classroom. So many platforms now are providing educational services. Now, because of they are doing that, that is an opportunity for you. Now, how are you going to take advantage of this opportunity? The best way to leverage on your skills and expertise is to turn it into an online course. Yes, create and sell online course about what you know how to do. Or better still, you can just offer one-on-one session to clients who need your services and you work with them to help them achieve certain results. Another service you can provide is group coaching, where you gather a group of people and you serve them, you teach them, you walk them through certain stuff that they need to learn from you. When you are doing this, there are certain audience and needs you should target. Audience such as people who are into business would love to be coached on how to do their business better and make more profit, right? People into fitness, people into personal self-development. All these are niches that you can jump into right now and start making money. If you choose any one of these niches to go into and to streamline your focus on them, there is no way that you don't start making money right now. Now, I know some of you will be saying, okay, I don't have the skill, I don't even know how to start. The next video is going to be a video that will show you step by step how to start and make money in freelancing. Click and watch that particular video so that you can have more insight on steps to follow to becoming a lancer. I also have another video about the best platform that you need. If you are already a freelancer, then what you need right now is the best platform that suits you and your personality and the value that you have to offer to the marketplace. See you in the next video, guys.